like I told you, payment is 100%. I already get payment live now. Like you see, I have $10 in my pocket. Like you see, I have $11. The payment is received. This is Tether USDT. I receive my payment from this application. It's simple. Let's go to the video. Hello guys, a new mining application. This is the homepage of the application. The link will be in description. It's very simple. With your number and you press in OTP, you will get receive a message with the code. You put your code and you put your then you put your password, and then you log in to your account. I log it in my account. You will get this home page. Every day you will receive 100 coins. You just press and receive, and you will get 100 coins. For 1000 coins, it means $10. Payment proof will be in the end of the video. Like you see, I have set 7 days. I must wait 3 days to get another to complete 10 days, but I already play in this game. There is tasks also. Don't do this. Just go to home like that. Like you see, you can play games and maximize your earning. Like I show you, I prefer play minus with my strategy. How it will be, it's simple. Put one like that, little bit, put one. We press bet, we select this one in the middle, we collect this strategy. We select after that. Every time when bomb appear, we select the place of the bomb appear. Okay, I will use 189. Now I select bet. I select this one when the bomb appears. Like you see, I win. This is strategy. Oh no, let's bet again. I win. Like I told you, I win. Let's select again. I win. Like you see, the strategy, it's work well. And now I have 1000 like you see. I select other one. It's the bomb. Also, you select always the bomb, and you will get 1000. If you want to gamble, if you don't want, just for 10 days open the application and get your reward. Now we go to mine. Like you see, there is Withrow. We press in Withrow. Like you see, I have $10. We select $10. We put our USDT address. And now we select our USDT address. Let's see what is. Now I will put my USDT address. We put USDT address TRC20. I use my Trust Wallet. My faucet address. Now we press submit. Verification succeed. Now we press withdraw. Now we will get an OTP in our phone. We just press and wait. We will get code. You don't see that for protection of my account. Complete. We press submit. Must make a verification, face verification. Like I told you, after verification with an SMS and face verification, I already make a withdrawal. Like you see, my balance is changed. Let's see history. Like you see, this is the payment. Like you see, this is my payment succeeded. We wait until get payment. Like I told you, it's simple. This application is simple. You log for 10 days and you get $10 off, or if you want, like I show you, can play miners with my strategy and earn quickly money. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.